Hi class, in this video we will be reviewing your Week 3 graded assignment, Chapter 10, Check Yourself. To enter the assignment, let's go ahead and click on your green puzzle piece. This will open up the next page, and you want to click on the blue hyperlink to enter your ebook. Once the cover page for your assignment opens up in the ebook, you want to confirm that the title of your assignment is correct, and we are doing Chapter 10, Check Yourself, and that it's ready. Go ahead and click on the blue button to enter the assignment. This assignment is 10 questions long. They're multiple choice. What you want to do is go through each question here, make your answer, and make sure before you move on to the next question that you click on this blue hyperlink here to check your answer. So let's just go through question 1 together. Which term describes what happens when a blood vessel in the brain leaks? Is it transient ischemic attack, aphasia, ischemic stroke, or hemorrhage stroke? For demonstration purposes, I'm going to click on aphasia. So I'm going to go over here to check my work and click on this blue hyperlink to see if this answer is correct. And it is not. You will know that it is not because it'll say incorrect here. It'll also give you a red X next to your answer. After you get an incorrect answer, you can go ahead and change your answer and then click on check my work again to see if it's correct. Once you have completed all 10 questions and have all 10 questions with a green check mark, you can go ahead and submit your assignment. And you submit your assignment by clicking on this blue button here that says Submit Assignment for Grading. You'll get a pop-up that just confirms you want to submit your assignment, and then you want to click on Submit for Grading. That's it for this week's assignment. We'll see you next week.